Hello and welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. Today is day 24 and I'm drawing an ear. So while drawing an ear, I realized there are two things which we have to keep in mind. One is this Y-shaped cartilage or bone, which is also called as entellix, and another thing is the lobule, which is the lower part of the ear, which may vary depending on the person to person, and definitely the shading. So we'll see how we draw the ear step by step in this video. So let's get started. So to start with the base layer shading, I am starting over here from the canal which goes inside our ear, and that's the darkest part based on from where the light is coming on the ear. So as you know, I generally start with the darkest part of any drawing so that I can get a boundary line between which I can have multiple layers and the shade of different tones. So for the shading, base layer shading, I'm using the HB pencil and I'm just giving a very slight shade to overall ear, and then I will blend it. So for shading of the whole drawing, I have used 2B and 4B pencils. For the lighter area, I have used 2B, and for darker area, I have used 4B pencil. The main way how you can do ear shading, or how you can give a realistic look to your ear drawing, is by applying different pressure and providing a gradual, decrease of the tone. Let's say so that it will reflect like a curve, right, the way over here I'm doing. So at the edges I do have a lot of shade, like there are multiple layers of shade. However, as I am moving forward and the downside, I have reduced the shade so that it is gradually decreasing. That way it will give us an illusion of that this is something curved in nature. So I'm using blending stump to soften some of the hard lines which I have used with the 4B pencil, and using the blending stump it will actually provide a smoother look, and the curve and all will look very proper. So now let's add some shadow to give it a 3D look, and I'm just creating some more layer of shade which is outside of the ear, so that it will act as a background and it will give a little 3D look to my whole drawing. So this is how the overall drawing looks like, and I hope you have liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.